So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to turn off your WhatsApp business username key. So guys, if you want to turn off your key, like here you see this is my key is visible and I want to turn it off. So guys, first of all I am going to my home page. This is my WhatsApp business. Now I click the option of these three dotted and go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, here you see the option of account. In the account, here you check the option of username. In the username, here you find the option of contact me by a username. So you just change this option people who know my key to everyone. Now when I go back, so this is my key 5276. Now if I select it to the everyone, and here it asks me to remove and user key removed, and now here you check that my key is completely removed. So this is the way that guys you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.